Golden Rule reached out and wanted to know if we had any opportunities for them to help.
Foster Squad is a nonprofit that was started in central Iowa that helps support Iowa foster families as they're caring for our state's most vulnerable children.
So one of the programs that we have is Care Kits, which is basically a bag that goes to families when they first receive a new child in their home.
We know that our Care Kits have a big impact on foster families. We often hear back from them that the child had never had their own backpack or their own blanket. And so when we get that feedback from foster parents, it means a lot to us to know that we're hitting the mark and we're providing something that is truly a help to them and the children that they're caring for.
Golden Rule helped us pack those Care Kits, and specifically they bought these cute little warmies, which we thought was appropriate, you know, warmies and Golden Rule. So it was a really fun experience to have the employees be involved and packing the kits and understanding why we do it. I think that's one of the things that we really want to make sure we do is educate the communities on what fostering's like and the support that these families need.
We're so thankful to Golden Rule for selecting the Foster Squad and supporting us with our warmies. We know specifically kiddos love getting the warmies, and so a big thank you to Golden Rule for not only the donation but also helping pack Care Kits. We truly appreciate it.